students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of Standard 3rd and name of the lesson is A Team of Workers. Dear children, this is a skit. You know the meaning of skit, isn't it? We have already done one skit in first term, right? Okay, this is a skit. Here 7 to 8 children, they are doing different characters. Here the characters are nothing but our body parts. For example, like mouth, nose, ears, eyes, hands, like this. There are different body parts and they are showing and they are telling their functions. Okay, we will move to the skit. All body parts stand together holding hands and they are saying work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Again, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Like this, all these parts of our body, they are telling in group. Okay, then the mouth comes and it calls hands. Hands, come forward and tell us what you do. Yes, miss, what all the work you do, you have to explain. It said. Then the hand said, we write. We work. See here, we mix. We lift, we hold, we clean, we do so many work. We carry, we type, and we push, we pull, we press. Yes, we do so many things. We give and we take, right? 100 things we make. Said hands. We two are a clever pair. There is nothing that we can't do. Said hands. Means they explain their work to the mouth. Then mouth called feet. Feet, come forward and tell us what you do. Tell me your functions. Feet said, we tap, we skip, we play, we run, we exercise, we hop, we jump, we do so many things. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Like this, the feet explain its function. Then the turn of eyes and ears. Mouth said, eyes, come forward and tell us what you do. I said, we open, we close, we blink, we express our feelings, we read, we see things far and near like cameras. Like this, eyes explain its work. The next turn is of ears. Mouth said, ears, come forward and tell us what you do. Ears said, I hear the soft sound. I hear the loud sound. Every sound we hear and we inform the brain. Day and night I do my work, it said. Then the turn of nose. Mouth said, nose, come forward and tell us what you do. Nose said, I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, that is good smell, bad smell and best smell. And what about you, mouth? It asked. It's the turn of the mouth. Mouth said, I tell you all about my work. It said, I speak day and night. I speak to everyone. I chew the food properly so it becomes easy to digest. I eat different types of food. I drink the water and other juices. I sip, and you know that I open and shut and I smile also, right? But do I get any of the food here? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work, it said. Who said here? The mouth said. Then all said, that's right. The belly doesn't do any work. They all together said that the belly is lazy and doesn't do any work. Then the belly said, that's not right. That's wrong. I do lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do my work sincerely. Listening to this, I said, why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work, it complained. At the same time, hands came forward and said, the only work you do is to grab all food that is good. Then feet came forward and said, you don't move a step. Why should we work to give you the food? All said, we won't work for you. We won't get any food now. You will not get any food because we won't work for you. All said together to the belly. Then belly said, don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. It requested to give the food. Then all said, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. Then 3 hours later, the belly again requested to give the food. But no one gave the food to belly. 2 days later, without food, see this the condition. Belly asked, how are you, my friends? Then the mouse said, oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet, they said, we feel so weak. I said, we can't see properly. Ears and nose said that we feel so tired. Here all the body parts they tired because there was no food, so no energy. Then what's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? They started to discuss with each other. What happened so that we all became tired? Then the brain enters. This is the 8th child who has the character of brain. Okay, brain enters. It said, you silly fellows, now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? It asked. Think now. Think about this. The brain said. All said, could it be? Is it the belly? They asked. Brain said, yes, of course. The belly, here, it digests the food and it gives us energy. Do you understand it now? It asked. You can see here in the picture, the food we eat from the mouth, it goes to the stomach, isn't it? This is nothing but belly. Here digestion process takes place and then the energy is given out to all other parts of our body so that our body remains healthy and fresh and active. So the food is necessary for our health or for our body. And who digests the food? The belly, the stomach. In this stomach, the digestion process starts. So, you know that our stomach does the important work, that it gives energy and food to all other parts of our body. Isn't it? Then all these body parts came together and they said, yes, yes, now we know this belly does a lot of work. Though he does not show it off, he does an important work. Now they came to know about the work of the belly. Then again they started to dance, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Yes, all the students, they hold the hands and they sing together, work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, We are always at work. Yes, dear children, you know that they are in different characters, which are our body parts. Yes, very nice information this kit gave, right? It told us about the different functions of our body parts. And by this kit, we came to know that every part of our body is important. Every part, it makes and it performs its own function so that our body moves smoothly and we can lead a happy life, isn't it? Now, dear children, we will move to the exercise part of this lesson. Here, name the parts that work together when we do the following. Here some actions are given. We have to tell which are all the different parts we use while doing this action. We will move. First one, ride a bicycle. You can see here a picture. This man is riding a bicycle. Yes, dear children, now guess and tell me which are the parts he is using more. Yes, you are right. Legs, hands to hold the bicycle, and eyes to know the route, and ears to get the different sounds while riding the bicycle, isn't it? The function of the ears is also very important, because if any vehicle comes from backside, then he will come to know because of his ears, isn't it? So while riding vehicles or bicycle, motorcycle, anything, our ears should remain alert, right? Next thing is swim. You can see here a boy is swimming. Come on, tell me the different parts of our body which are involved in this action. Yes, you are right. Legs, hands, eyes. Very good. We will move to next one. Write the answer to a question. Means writing. Okay. This boy is writing the answer to the question. Yes. Which parts he is using? Correct. Hands. Fingers, yes, to hold the pen or pencil. We need the cooperation of the fingers, right? Then eyes, to write in the proper lines, isn't it? Next, eat your favorite dish. Eating. Yes, here, mouth along with teeth, tongue, isn't it? Then hands. This we need, correct? Next, climb a ladder. You can see here this boy is climbing the ladder. Yes, come on now, tell me which are the parts he is using more. Correct. Hands and legs. Very good. Next, make a phone call. Here, say this. Hands, finger, and here you can see ears also, right? Next thing is switch off lights and fans in another room if there is no one there. Yes, in another room he wants to switch off the lights and fans. Then what all the parts he will use? Yes, first he will move to the next room. So legs, hands and finger, isn't it? These three parts he need, right? Okay. We will move to the next exercise, that is read the following words from the lesson and find rhyming words for each. Here words are given. We have to find the rhyming words from the textbook. Okay, see here, take, make. This is in your skit. Okay, take, make. Then hop, stop. Hop, stop. They sound similar. You chew. You chew. Near, here. Near, here. Next thing is rest. Best. Rest, best. Bite, right. Bite, right. These all from your skit. Okay. Deceive, receive. Deceive, receive. Try to read all this. Okay. Next thing is read the following words and find rhyming words for each. Here it is not necessary to find out from your skit. You can use the rhyming words from outside the book. Okay. First one is mouth. Mouth. The rhyming pair is south. Mouth, south. You can write some more. Next thing is feet, meat. Feet, meat. Then wrong. You can write song. Wrong, song, strong. Okay, long. You can write many more for each. I have given only one rhyming word. You can add here. Okay. Next is dry. Dry. You can write fry. Right. Next thing is weak. Then here peak. Weak, peak. Leak. You can write. Tired. The rhyming word is fired. Tired, fired. Got this, children? These are from outside the book. Next thing is put the names of the body parts in alphabetical order. Here some body parts are given. We will read them. Hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, mouth and belly. These parts are given. Okay, we have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. You know this? These are alphabets. English alphabets. Now here you see this is alphabetical order. Means we write these words or the given words in alphabetical order, means according to the order of the alphabet. Here first A is there, then B, then C, then D. Means we will follow the orders of these alphabets and we will arrange these body parts according to the alphabets. Okay. First we will find out the word begin with A. Hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, belly. No word begins with A. So we will move to B. Yes, here correct. Belly. It begins with B. So we will write belly first. Okay, I have written here. Next, then C. No word is there. D. No. E. Yes, two words are there. Eyes and ears. Okay, first alphabet is E. Here also E. So leave that. Then move to second alphabet. Second alphabet is Y here and here it is A. Now according to alphabetical order, A comes first. So we will write this word first, means to the second position. Then comes eyes. Okay, now 4 remain. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. F, feet is there. So we will write here. Then 3 remain. Then hands, nose, mouth. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H for hands. So we will take this and we will write here. Then what remained? Nose and mouth. You can see here M comes first, then N. So M for mouth we will write first, then last we will write nose. Got this? Like this we have to arrange the given words in alphabetical order. I hope you understood properly. Right? Next, complete the following sentences using your own ideas. Here one example is there. For example, lift. Lift is the word. Okay, only lift it is given. What to write? Lift a heavy bag. Small sentences we have to frame. Got this? Very small sentence, a meaningful sentence we have to frame. Okay, now lift. Here lift a heavy bag. Okay, the next word is put. Come on, try to make a sentence by using put. Then comes make and then comes hold. Come on dear children, take 1 minute and make the simple sentence. Okay, now here I will give you frame different one. Okay, you can take the reference of my sentences. Put your pencil down. See, so simple sentence. Okay, next make a circle, make a square, anything you can write. Hold your bag properly, otherwise hold your hands, anything you can write. Okay, please try to write different sentences. Okay. Next is eat. Here, eat fresh fruit or eat good food. Anything you can write. Next is pull. Then take. Then read. Again, try to make the sentences carry and is push. Okay, pull. What we will write? Pull the door. Pull the door and come inside. Right? Then take a break. You have studied. Now take a break. Read the book. Read the story. Read the sentence. You can write anything. Okay. Carry this box. Carry this bag. Carry this what book you can write? Push the door. Pull the door. Push the door. Okay, like this. Try to make small sentences using the words. Bye bye dear children. Now you have to read the lesson once or twice, okay, and try to understand the functions of different body parts, okay. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.